Dang, we got another one. The fuck?
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Henry County until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Castle, or 13 miles south of Muncie, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Oh, wow.
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar.
How many of them have to be 70?
The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include New Castle, Nighttown, Spice Land, Chile, Kennard, Sulphur Springs, Merlin, Louisville, Mount Summit, Strawn, Dunreef, Cadiz, Springport, Greensboro, Blounsville, and Summit Lake State Park. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 114 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Henry, Indiana.
Every time with that.